What could the future of mobile homes look like? With advancements in technology and design, the possibilities are endless. Today, we'll journey through the top 25 futuristic motorhomes that could redefine life on the road. At number 25, we have the Solar Dream. Imagine a motorhome that harnesses the power of the sun to fuel your adventures. Equipped with state-of-the-art solar panels, the Solar Dream is a green, sustainable choice for the environmentally conscious traveler. Next, at 24, meet the Eco Compact. This motorhome combines compact design with eco-friendly features. Its small footprint doesn't compromise on comfort, offering a cozy living space that respects the environment. Number 23 is the Space Wanderer. With a design inspired by space exploration vehicles, the Space Wanderer promises a unique experience. It's not just about the journey, but also the destination. On to number 22, the Aqua Home. This amphibious motorhome allows you to explore both land and water. It's a perfect choice for those who can't decide between a boat trip and a road trip. At 21, we find the Sky High. This motorhome features a pop-up roof that transforms into a viewing deck. Imagine stargazing from your own mobile home. At number 20, we present the All-Terrain Beast. This motorhome is designed to tackle any landscape, from deserts to snowy mountains. With this vehicle, no road is off-limits. Number 19 is the Self-Sufficient Nomad. This motorhome is designed for long-term travel, equipped with systems for water purification and waste management. With the Self-Sufficient Nomad, you can truly live off the grid. 18 brings us the Tech Hub. This motorhome is a dream for tech enthusiasts with integrated smart home systems and high-speed internet connectivity. Work or play, the Tech Hub has you covered. 17 introduces the Lux Loft. This motorhome offers a 2-story living space, complete with a loft-style bedroom. Luxury and comfort go hand in hand in the Lux Loft. At 16, we have the Tiny Eco Home. This motorhome takes the tiny home movement on the road. It's a minimalist, sustainable choice for the eco-conscious traveler. Halfway through our countdown, at number 15, we present the Ultralight. This motorhome is designed for fuel efficiency, offering a lightweight design without compromising on comfort. 14 brings us the Off-Road Rambler. This motorhome is built for off-road adventures. It's rugged, reliable, and ready to take you where the road doesn't. At 13, we have the Aqua Terra. This motorhome can travel on land and water, providing a seamless transition from road trip to boat trip. At number 12, meet the Green Machine. This motorhome is designed with sustainability in mind, featuring solar panels and a composting toilet. It's a green choice for the environmentally conscious traveler. 11 introduces the Sky Lounge. This motorhome features a rooftop deck, perfect for watching the sunset or stargazing. Cracking the top 10, we have the Robo Home. This motorhome features automated systems for a hassle-free travel experience. At number 9, meet the Transformer. This motorhome can adapt its layout to suit your needs, offering flexible living space. Number 8 brings us the Eco Warrior. This motorhome features sustainable materials and energy-efficient systems, making it a green choice for eco-conscious travelers. At 7, we have the Space Optimizer. This motorhome offers a compact design with smart storage solutions perfect for those who want to travel light. At number 6, meet the Off-Grid Oasis. This motorhome is designed for long-term travel, equipped with systems for generating power and purifying water. Breaking into the top 5, we have the Tech Titan. This motorhome is a dream for tech enthusiasts with integrated smart home systems and high-speed internet connectivity. At number 4, meet the Aqua Explorer. This amphibious motorhome allows you to explore both land and water, offering a seamless transition from road trip to boat trip. At 3, we have the All-Weather Wanderer. This motorhome is designed to handle any weather conditions, offering a comfortable living space no matter the climate. At number 2, meet the Green Giant. This motorhome features sustainable materials and energy-efficient systems, making it a green choice for eco-conscious travelers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Future Home. This motorhome embodies the future of mobile living, with smart systems, sustainable design, and luxurious comfort. In conclusion, the future of mobile homes is bright, with a focus on sustainability, technology, and adaptability. These 25 motorhomes offer a glimpse into a future where life on the road is more comfortable, more sustainable, and more exciting than ever before.